Hello! Welcome to Smart Skeleton Channel. Here we testing human limits.
What if you disappeared into the wild forest for 30 days? No phone, no food, no comfort, completely different person.
30 days, one wild forest, zero modern comforts, no phone, no outside shelter, no store food.
Day 1. The moment you step inside, every sense sharpens immediately. Sounds louder, smells richer, vision clearer.
Act 10. Your first and most urgent task is water. Without it, you have exactly 3 days. You follow low ground?
Day 2 delay. Building shelter becomes urgent. Even in summer, the forest drops to 10 degrees at night. Day 3 brings fire. Making flame without matches takes real physical effort and patience.
Days 4 and 5, hunger hits seriously hard. Your body desperately craves processed food and sugar.
Foraging becomes your new supermarket. Wild berries, mushrooms, miracle edible roots.
Day 6 down. The silence becomes almost physical. No notifications, no voices, no background noise at all. Day 7 is the breaking point. Your comfort-seeking brain fights you hard. But push through hide. What comes next changes everything.
Days 8 and 9 vary. Something genuinely shifts. Your brain stops demanding constant stimulation and begins rewiring itself.
Days 10 and 11 tearing. Your metabolism shifts dramatically. With no processed sugar, your body switches fully to burning fat for fuel.
By days 12 and 13, your senses are noticeably sharper. You hear animals before you see them. You spot edible plants instantly. 2 full weeks survived. Rain, hunger, cold nights, loneliness, and doubt all of it beaten. Days 15 and 16 no, your focus returns with serious power. Without digital distraction, your prefrontal cortex strengthens noticeably. Days 17 and 18 calm, you notice something unexpected. The forest feels alive in a way cities never did. Days 19 and 20 guide, your sleep completely transforms. Sync to natural light cycles, you sleep deeper than air life.
By day 20, your body is measurably stronger. Carrying, climbing, building every single day builds real functional strength.
Days 21 and 22 bake. Genuine pleasure returns in a new form. These tiny real moments feel profoundly and deeply satisfying.
Days 23 and 24. Without screens hijacking attention, ideas flow naturally. Day 25 dive to you. Fear of the dark forest disappears completely. Night sounds no longer startle you. Darkness feels natural. Days 25 and 26 pag. Your body rhythms sync completely with the forest itself. Wake with the sun, rest with darkness. Days 27 and 28, you think differently about your entire life. What was just distraction and noise? Night 29, your last night in the forest. Surprisingly, many people feel sadness leaving. Day 30 morning, you pack your things and prepare to leave. The final walk begins. Every step through this forest is different now. And then, there it is. Through the last trees, the first road, the first building.
Science fact 1, hey, forest environments reduce cortisol within 20 minutes of exposure. After 30 days immersion,
Science fact 2, forest air contains phytoncides. For 30 days, increases natural killer cell activity by 50%.
Science fact 3 dire. Nature walks reduce activity in the subgenal prefrontal cortex. 30 days in a forest restructures how your brain processes thought. Science fact 4 guy. Natural outdoor light completely resets your biological clock in just 14 days. Science fact 5 tant.
Forest soil contains Mycobacterium vaccae, a natural bacteria that measurably increases serotonin production.
Science fact 6 bat. Outdoor light dramatically reduces eye strain. Studies confirm 30 days of forest living improves myopia progression.
Right there.
Science fact 7 hey, 30 days of earned survival rewards rewires your dopamine circuit permanently away from cheap digital hits.
Practical tip 1. Start with 1 full day in nature with 0 screens. Even 24 hours will trigger measurable neurological changes.
For our practical tip 2 weeks, Dupo. In nature, leave the phone in your bag or completely behind. Even having it nearby reduces nature's effect on your cortisol.
Practical tip 3 by try. Regularity matters more than duration. 2 hours in nature every single day of the week does more full month once a year.
Practical tip 4 being, try one survival skill. Building a fire without matches, finding water, building a rough shelter.
30 days in the wild. A stronger body, a calmer mind, a rewired brain. The forest?
If this changed how you think about nature and yourself, Freo, smash that like button and subscribe. New mind-changing science every week. See you in the next one. The forest is waiting.
Start your morning exercise journey today. Subscribe for more health science. See you next time.